Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little arch that I got for $1 at Dollar General. I'm going to pop off the little front piece, and I peeled off some of the paper. It was already peeling. I then take a pair of pliers and just pull out the little nails that were holding that piece on. And then there's that wad of glue right there. I'm just going to heat that up. Then I used my Cricut spatula and I just kind of scraped off the rest of it. Once I have that all off and I sanded it down a little bit, I'm going to paint the whole thing white. And I'm just using a white acrylic. It took a couple of coats to do it. You could probably use chalk paint. It might go faster. I made sure that I got in all these little nooks and crannies at the top of the arch. So I just kind of used a smaller brush to get in between those little areas. And like I said, it took a couple of coats. It might take less with chalk paint. I'm not really a huge fan of chalk paint. I think it's very thick and chunky. So once I have that all painted, I'm going to take the little centerpiece and I'm going to lay it on this scrapbook paper. I think I got this at Joann's a long time ago. It has like a beehive look to it. So I'm just going to trace that out and then cut it out. And then I'm going to Mod Podge that right onto that little area on the front. So just put a nice coat of Mod Podge. This paper was kind of thick, so I used a little bit of a thicker coat of Mod Podge. I'm going to set that on there, and if you have any excess, you can sand that off once it's dry. I'm just going to press that down, and then I just let that dry. Once it was fully dry, I am going to take this little stamp. It has a little bee on it. I got it at a thrift store. I'm going to put that in some ink, and then I'm just going to stamp that right to the center of this little square that we just did. So I'm just kind of getting an idea of where I want the stamp on there. Then just pressing that on. And look how cute that is. I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to glue that right back to the front of the little arch. So I'm just going to use some hot glue that back on, making sure I get those edges. My glue gun wasn't fully hot, so it was kind of giving me a hard time. Set that right on the front, try and get it as even as I could. Then I'm going to take some twine. I'm going to wrap that right around the bottom of the arch part at the top and right above the little sign that we just made. So I'm just going to kind of wrap that around a couple of times, then bring it around to one side. And then I'm just going to tie it off into a knot. And just kind of let those pieces hang down. Then I'm going to take 2 beads that I had previously from another project that were already stained. And I just used some antiques wax to stain those. I'm just going to slide those through and then tie off the bottom. I put a couple knots in just so that the bead didn't pull down over it. Cut off the excess. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Slide that through and then just tie it off in a couple of knots so that it doesn't fall through. And then cut off the excess. Then finally, I made a bow out of some twine. I'm going to add that right to the top of the little knot that we made. Cut off the excess on there. And then I'm going to glue that right into place. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute and would look amazing on a little tiered tray or just sitting on a shelf. I love bee decor anyway. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.